Life is Virgin Light like now is very quiet, but enjoyable.
So you still happy?
Yeah, still happy.
When I call her up to say I'm in town, I get a notion that we both walk the same ground. Been traveling all over, searching far and away for a sign to lead me straight.
So many boats here. Have to trespass this alley full of the beautiful fisherman boats, as you can see. And here we go. Woo. And I'm on the beautiful beach. Check this out. Yo, what's up? How you doing? I just arrived to the Virgin Beach. As you can see, beautiful over here. Beautiful boats, what I just trespassed. Coming to Virgin Beach is about 70 kilometers for me. It took me exactly 55 minutes, maybe 1 hour coming by bike. But yeah, I'm quite experienced driver. However, you have to be very careful if you are living in Bali and you're thinking to come here by bike. Make sure you are extra careful because now it's no tourists, no bus, not many cars. So people trying to overtake these drivers who are driving slower, and they are driving super fast and they just ignore. Hello. And they are just ignore you, you know. So if you are driving on the middle of your lane, the car will overtake and they will try to hit you, so you have to just slow down to the minimum. That's how it looks, beach. This is the Virgin Beach, Karangasem, East Bali. It's quite busy actually with local people, but also with some foreigner girls here with dogs, probably living somewhere in East Bali, in Karangasem. That's how it looks. Beautiful, isn't it? Oh shit. Bring my shoe. Got wet a little bit, but it's okay. The kids playing with the small ships. Toys the ships like a fishing ships. They will try to put this on the ocean. Super cool actually. I wish when I was small kid I can do it like this. This is like a kiting, like putting the kites, but they have a boat. Quite nice girls around. Here is another white lady sitting over here. Some kids. Basically this is the Virgin Beach, quite famous when you are on the normal conditions. Hello, how are you? How are you today?
I'm good, bro. I'm good.
Enjoy.
Where are you from?
How do you think?
Germany.
Close. I'm from Poland.
Poland.
Yeah.
Alright. Nice to meet you, bro.
So as you can see, I'm going into the end of the beach because there are some warungs also. Anyway, I would like to show you full entire beach today. This beach in normal conditions is very famous. However, not today. It's very quiet, but I have to say there are some white people here. That's the people mostly who living in Candidasa. I was last week in Candidasa. If you haven't watched the vlog, I fully recommending you to watch this because it's super cool. The warungs, mostly the warungs are closed over here. Usually they are full of people, but actually here was the open, but it's also just closing down. Probably they will ask me to have a drink or something. Actually, I wish to have a... Check this out, the waves are super cool actually. So over here only one warung open. The owner welcoming me. Hello, how are you? Not so bad, yeah?
Not so bad.
Many people coming?
No, today, really.
And your warung only open again?
Always.
Always? I was last 2 months, 3 months ago and you was open only here, and now again?
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. But you're going home now, yeah?
Yeah, just little bit.
Yeah.
Because not tourists, I close soon.
But I saw some white people over there. Over there.
I was have two,
Yeah.
but already leaving.
Oh, but I think maybe there are just people who live in Candidasa or somewhere. Yeah.
No.
They are tourists. They coming from city.
From Canggu.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's very nice. I hope so. Good for business. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will go. Yeah.
Okay.
I wanna see. Thank you so much, my friend.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Good luck. We spoke with the owner of the one warung. Actually, he's always open. I was here maybe in October last time. Yeah, about like this 4 or 5 months ago, and was actually the same guy was open. Very nice beach, very nice, but very quiet in some parts, especially here. Here is the fisherman. Basically, that's how it looks. The beautiful virgin beach. It's very quiet, but it's very beautiful. Today the weather where I was in Denpasar was very sunny and very hot, as you can see on my hands. But now it's cloudy over here. I think in Amet it's rainy today, so not really good. But still, I would like to show you the area from the drone, so enjoy the little bit of the cinematography today. Over here, I don't know if you can see the 4 guys carry the boat, and they will put this into ocean, and probably they're gonna go for fishing or something. Here is a little bit more local vibe. some kids over here, like I said previously, and some people fishing. So many boats over here. There we go. As you can. How are you guys? The procedure of watering the boat. Super cool. Alright,
Hey, bro.
so I have a Coke with Ketut next to his warung called Tropical. Like
Just drink.
he have a drink. So tell me, Ketut, how is the life in the Virgin Beach? How is it?
Oh, the life is Virgin life like now is very quiet. Quiet, but enjoyable.
So you still happy?
Yeah, still happy, even if no tourists because of the pandemic.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see here the activities of people,
Still.
and then also still they
This is
enjoy
the son of
the
Ketut.
kids here,
Yeah.
and even sometime weekend the warung.
Uh-huh.
My warung di tropical is only few customer,
Yeah.
but however it is, I feel like self healing for
Yeah.
the earth here.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah. I know what you
Self
mean.
healing. So still nice.
Still nice.
Snell.
And you have also the guest house, the same name, yeah? Bungalows.
Yeah, villa.
Villa.
Small bungalow.
Yeah. Sorry, villa.
Sorry,
And
small
is
bungalow.
many guests there? Quiet, closed, open?
Yeah, it's sometime open for weekend, like Saturday night.
Alright.
They stay here overnight one night because no accommodation here except there in my place.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
good. So tell me, if you have enough money for life from the warung?
Yeah, from the warung just enough for consume my
Yeah,
daily food. You know?
Yeah, like a daily food. So,
Daily
but it's
food.
still okay. Yeah,
But
that's
still
good.
okay. Yeah.
Your English is very good. He just told me as he used to be on the cruise ship, yeah.
Yeah,
And he
that's
was
right.
in Poland. So can
Poland,
you
I've
imagine?
been in Gdynia.
Gdynia. Yeah. That's
Yeah.
the harbor in Poland. So,
Poland.
what do you think? What is better for you now? Working here even is less customer, or working on the cruise ship?
I enjoy whatever my life enjoyable.
Yeah.
So of course now is I'm working here close with my family is the value, very value
So
life.
the most important is your family.
important,
Doesn't
yeah.
matter of what. Yeah. And
Yeah.
your wife is here, no?
Yeah, my wife is at home.
Oh, okay. I wish to meet her. It's okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Okay. I still enjoy my Coke. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
All right. So that's how it looks, the situation. I spoke with the two owners of the warungs, especially with Kadek. So his second child, his Balinese from this area. As you saw, he's very optimistic. Even the situation is tough. He's very happy, and he just said, as for him, the most important is the family, which is for many Balinese people who I know or met somewhere, the Balinese, the family is #1 priority. So that's how it looks. The situation on the beach. Very beautiful beach, as you can see. There is still the boat. If you're interested how it looks. I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog, and like always, see you tomorrow. Like always, see you, take care guys.